Skuru iterugurwa kiumia twitite ta uria gwatumiritwe ni Minister wa Kithomo Ezekiel Machogu bubumanite na uge bwa Rais Kirirwaria rwa muthenya jwa naru akiria Kenya akiaria rigarune yawe Nairobi. Rais Ruto nerite Ministry ya Kithomo gutigira maruga ja skuru ni untu bwa mbura nene ire itite na mbere kura ntere mwanya cia nthiguru ni jaguterwa mwanka ndere ambura ya makondoria kanyia norite kinya Ministry ya Urimi gutigira kuri na irio bya kung'ana biokinyira Kenya gukurukira nchuku cia thirikari nicio NCPB kenda gutethia Kenya bara bagwatikanite na mpangeji ya makondoria. Boniface Mongera na ripoti ja
aritwa bakendere ukaranja ukaita kagate kumenyekana mwankambure ndrete kuraja nthegorone ithruite na tenia agita ntomoje ntukwa na Rais Samuel Ruto nerekithirite Ministry ya Kithomo ithruigita mitaratara yorana bakethro bethomera nja ni nyankoroki uria acheri na akaria bao bakethro bebangania.
Tayari kuna maagizo na maelezo ya vile mambo ya shule itaendelea kutoka hapa. Tumesema mashule yale yalikuwa yanatarajiwa kufunguliwa Jumatatu, sasa hayatafunguliwa mpaka pale mwongozo mpya utakapotolewa, na wizara inaelewa vile itashirikiana na walimu na viongozi wa mashule kuendeleza sekta hiyo ya elimu kama janga hili litaendelea. Baada ya wiki ijayo serikali itatoa mwongozo zaidi baada ya wiki ijayo.
Sukuru cha Premier Secondary Shonde ichirali kuthura chirugorwa Jumatatu ikimya kitwitite ende nande kuringana thirikari barugambure ni thirituitamite ntami nyingi ya kondori ni nyithukangie guntu wa kuthomera na kwa unande into gikiega ana bambirite kuthura bagetera nja mwanka ririkethruite na tenia.
We have also directed Treasury to provide resources to our NGCDF and members of parliament to prioritize the reconstruction of school infrastructure that has been destroyed by the floods. Number 3, we have also directed the Treasury, working with the Ministry of Roads and Infrastructure and our military, to provide resources for roads, bridges, and other travel infrastructure that has been destroyed by the roads, by the floods. And we have asked Treasury to work with the resources they have, engage with development partners, and we are also encouraging the private sector to step forward.
Nto mwakire Kenya bonde nabo ibori twebendere kwethira bimenyera ninya gukarania no ntumbure kethira ikendera kuingia ari nyankoroki kurikana ukethira wena ikondoria keriene kira kethira kijikirina gichonko ya cyclone.
The Meteorological Department and the IGAD Climate Prediction Application Center have issued a stark warning. Kenya may face its first ever cyclone. This cyclone, named Hidaya, could hit any time and is predicted to cause torrential rain, strong winds, and powerful and dangerous waves, which could potentially disrupt marine activities in the Indian Ocean and settlement along the Kenyan coast.
Bobe bwa kenda rais akiojorire bwa 10 na shoketere kithiria thirikari cia county amo ministry mwanya chithiro cietithaniri na gutirote mukenya kinyomwe okwithirwa kigurarua.
The Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, through the National Cereals and Produce Board, is directed to make available food supplies in government stores to support this effort. The Ministry of Health is directed to work with development partners, including the World Health Organization, AMREF, Red Cross, UNHCR, World Food Program, and other relevant humanitarian agencies to mobilize resources and logistical support to avail essential drugs, food, and other medical supplies to those affected.
Okay, report na Toshoro TV Njuma kuma jake ngine kinene kimusho Nairobi. Bita Boniface Mongera.